Welcome to Shillards. Today we are going to do a hamburger bun recipe. We will call it as hamburger disc. So take the hamburger, some spreads, whatever you have. I took mayonnaise, mustard, some basil pesto and smoked capsicum spread. I have some potato veggies ready, grated cheese and grated carrot, but you can do mix and match. If you have minced chicken or turkey, you can use that, or you can do fish version or a veggie version, up to you. So we have to do like a hole in here. I'm going to use this to cut it out. This is the trickiest part of the recipe because I have to crack the hole in the bun. You can use this for cheese sandwich or something else, breadcrumbs or something. So we have this, we are going to put like this and then stuff it. But before that I'm going to have some spreads on. So some smoked capsicum. Some mustard. Some basil pesto, and okay, so now I'm going to put this one on top of it, and then whatever stuffings you have. I'm going to put some potatoes. Good for kids as well. You can have raw stuffing or a cooked stuffing, up to you, and some cheese, and that's it. It will go in the oven. It's looking awesome. I'm going to put that in the oven now. Obviously bake setting. I did warm the oven before. Here you go. The burger discs are ready. Thank you.